Yo everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today I will be installing the oil catch can from Speedlogix that I got, the front mount dual chamber billet oil catch can. Alright, tore it red. You know, I rather wanted it blue, but we'll rock out with the red, right? And you know, we got the hoses to go with it, so should be quick, easy install. So let's go ahead and get to it. All right, y'all, so first thing I want to do, that bolt that they give you goes on there. Just tighten that all the way down. It's not going to affect that at all, because basically what you're going to do is you're going to screw this joint on, right? And then when you get to a certain point, you're going to bring that screw up. So here we go, just like this, just like that. Might just leave it all the way there. Alright, so gotta do it there, then you can bring that and that'll lock it in there just like that, right? Bam, bam. You heard me? Then you got the bottom. Go ahead and you can screw that on. And I'm all crooked on it right now. Or you can just flip it like this. Screw it on there. Get it in there. Bam. Set. That keeps it locked from moving. And then bam. Now we just got to put the hoses in. Alright. So there we go. She's in there. You just take this off that's right there, pull it out, bam. So you take that off, then you route one to go there, route the other one to go into the intake manifold. Well, they both go into the intake manifold, but yeah, I know the routing job of the hoses ain't all cute and all, but I'll redo it later, because as you guys are watching this video, I am currently filming the alternator video as well. So yeah, I was like, well, since I'm putting everything back together, let me knock out this video as well. So quick, easy install. You know, you pop it off. Just tighten these on there so they're on there pretty good. You know, they're not gonna pop off. So like I said, I'll reroute that stuff later. So there you have it, ladies and gents. Looks good in the engine bay. The wire, like I said, routing the hoses could be a whole lot better, but hey, you do what you can with what you got. All right, so until next time, peace. Ooh, look at them dirty hands, boy.